Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday, it's hangout time with the hubs. I haven't done a green look in a minute. So today, guess what? We're gonna do a green look. So if you wanna see how I create this green look, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna create, but we're gonna do something green. Green, green, green. So I'm gonna go into this palette, I think. So this is Punches from the Vigorously palette from Pimby Makeup Island. I'm not going this shade. This palette is huge. So we'll put it down for a second and let's go into Punch It. I might go into another palette, but in the meantime, let me put this here. Because I feel like I might need something a little bit darker than Punches. Just tapping this. When I go up to the edges, I can. Oh, this brush this is old, and this is from Tigi Friday, and it just says it's a blending brush. There's no real number, so. But you can use any blending brush, guys. Like, it doesn't have to be this brush specifically. So yeah. Doesn't have to be this. Like so. Now I'm gonna go into, I'm thinking Potent in that same palette. No, maybe Intensive. And this is on Plain Makeup by Yolondo Y204. I'm still in that same palette. I haven't gone to another palette yet. And I'm just blending the edges of this. And I'm just blending it. I was saying that green is not going to be dark enough. I think it's fine. I'm going to do an all matte look today. I think, yeah. And I'm just doing this very light, guys. Very, very light. So I can get it to blend. I know I go up to my brows with my shadow, but I have to because your girl does not have... She does not have a lot of, lid space. So I have to go and just... And then I think I need a little bit more green. Yes. A little bit more green, and then back here to blend. Again, don't ever be scared that you have to go back in like multiple times, because sometimes that's what you have to do to get it. Oh, this is for the lips. Let's take care of the lips. I need to clean this up a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because I think I'm going to put similar, which is like a Tiffany green. I'm kind of calling it green, but not really. I just want to take off most of that green. Or I just want more base to make it kind of tacky. And this is wood. Okay, so now this is a Y217, and we're gonna go into that similar shade. Well, it's called similar. And I'm just gonna tap this. And this is another Y217. I think I'm gonna go into Vermint. and just like blend this a little bit. Just blend this nicely. And now, oh, I lost that brush. I lost the brush. I lost the brush. Need a little bit more of similar, like right here. Okay, perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. Ignore this poreless primer from Pimby Makeup by Yolondo. I'm giving it a test run again. I don't know. I don't like how it stays like all white on my face. Even if like I blend it with a brush or whatever, it still like just makes my face white. So this is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Foundation. Okay, so let's jump on this. Let us jump on this. Shake this. I don't know. I don't think the shade is gonna match me, but you know what? We will see. Oh god, this feels so thick. I don't know. This foundation is concerning. Very concerning. So we're gonna use this ABH cream bronzer in terracotta. This is another one of my favorites because it's so easy to blend. So easy. And this is on a E5 from Morphe. Again, I think Morphe discontinued this brush, not sure why. I mean, I'm gonna go heavy with my bronzer. It's not like I don't usually do, but today your girl needs to go heavy. Oh. Yeah, this is pretty. See how heavy I kind of have to go, because if I don't, this will just be like, okay. And let's go ahead and use, this is from, I think it's whatever Del Rey her name is. That is her item, her blush company or her makeup company. And this one is blushing like cream brush crushing. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite. This girl. I'm like all over the place today with my makeup routine. So usually I already put concealer. Not sure why I haven't. But let's go ahead and put concealer. I'm gonna do my ABH and I'm just gonna put it like right here. And then here. Right here. And then here. Here. Yeah, yeah. Let this dry a little bit. Got these little packages of like sponges from Amazon. I love these. Usually I just get the black one. I don't know why I went and get the colors, because I'm like, girl, this is gonna look dirty quick. Quick. It's so good. That blush is so pretty, so pretty. So I think this is fine. Let's go ahead and blend this up. And this is my slick brush. I use my flawless brush for my foundation, you know, the usual. Just making sure everything is applied nicely. So like so. So always take your time, guys. Take your time. I know we'll be rushing, trying to get somewhere, but make sure you know everything looks crisp. And then I'm gonna set it with a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury powder in number 1. So, cause this helps like your stuff just don't move. Then it's like there forever. And then I'm gonna use my, who's this? That's Givenchy. Yep. Powder in Voila Rose Prisme Libre. Then I'm gonna use that to set the rest of my concealer. I love this powder. So fine. So fine. But it's pricey, so you know, we have to make sure nothing goes to waste. It's okay. I know it's heavy, just ignore it. And this is also my Charlotte Tilbury powder, but this is my number 2, which is the one I used to set the rest of my face, and it's almost done. But we're using every bit of it. I'm gonna use that to just set the perimeter of my face where I did not, oh, and down my neck, because I put foundation all the way down here. Because we want to make sure this doesn't just make a greasy mess, because it is hot outside. Actually, before I finish up my face, let's go ahead and put some KVD liner. Oh, this one is not a sharpener. Sometimes I forget which one sharpens and which one doesn't. And now let us go ahead and put, I don't know what I want to do under there. Maybe just one shade of green. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. Just one shade of green, which I'm thinking that shade of green that's in the middle. I think that's what I'm gonna put. And I have almost like no fallout, so that's like amazing. And then we're gonna bring down that inner corner shade. Perfect. Done. Now let's bronze the face. Let us bronze the face. I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Sephora. It's the Demi Eventail 72 brush. And I'm gonna use the matte rich golden skin finish from MAC. Today is another day we're gonna go heavy with bronzer because that foundation is trying to make us look like Flashback Mary, and we're not going for that. That is not the look. Having to go so heavy with my bronzer. I mean, I like bronzer, don't get me wrong, but that's too much. This is from She Glam. Nope. I like how I'm just going into these blushes and be like, no, this is too. This is what? Love Struck Sweetheart from J Cats. Then I need a little bit of this, like so, and then so. Now with my powder brush, and then just blend it. Now, what are we gonna put on the lip? Nope, let's not do red. Actually, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 3 Intense. Where did I put my little mirror? Oh, my little handy dandy mirror. Put my little, you know, pearl Amazon earrings. I'm like, you know, the girl that'll go from like Tiffany earrings to, you know, Amazon earrings. Don't, you know, care. If it's cute, I'm gonna wear it if it doesn't make my ears hurt. I do have really sensitive ears, so if something is not like either gold, like pure gold or silver or surgical steel, it's definitely gonna make my ears hurt. But if it's all those things, or one of those things, sorry, then I'm Gucci. This is from Jouer and it is the Topaz. And this is a M510 from Morphe. This is nude from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. It's not nude, you know. Well, not nude for me, but ooh, and this is from Jeffree Star. Which shade is this? Mouthful. It's a gloss. See, now I'm like, ah. I like the space right here. And then we're gonna gloss it. And then let's one size her up. So that's it, guys, for this look. I know it's bold and green and green and green and green, but you know, I like it. And I went simple with the lip, kind of. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.